Kroma, do you know this trademark? Then, be welcome. From now on, you are going to know the brand which creates, produces and automates special equipment for some of the largest and most exigent industries of Latin America. Kroma is a company specialized in designing and in the production of a sophisticated line of products for industrial unitary operations. System to agitate and homogenize fluids projected with the help of modern techniques in engineering. Among them, the computational fluid dynamics, resulting in exclusive projects of high performance, like the KPC impeller. The line is formed by impellers specifically conceived for each and every industrial application. Kroma also develops and produces magnetical coupling mixers with the latest technology applied to vessels or sterile reactors. Static mixers. Through a pilot plant specially designed for the development and optimization of static mixers and with the support of the technology of the computational fluid dynamics, Kroma is well prepared to develop specific drawings for each process. Vessels and process reactors designed for operations with positive and or negative pressures, as well thermal exchange systems, projected and producing according to the internationally recognized rules, with the help of modern tools of the computing engineering like the finite elements analysis. Mass and heat transfer systems in process equipment. Pre-cooled filters projected by professionals with more than 15 years of experience in designing, production, installation and starting up filtering systems throughout Latin America. Single or double models are available in the following options, with or without total drain. Cleaning in place systems with the movable, manual or totally automatized options. Powder and granulated mixers with optional vacuum operation system, injection of liquids and automatization complete this line. Storage tanks designed and produced according to the API rule. Pressure vessels according to the ASME and ASTM rules. All of them with the mechanical sanitary polish finishing and or electropolishment, being possible to have system of thermal exchange and thermal insulation. As a complement, Kroma projects and produces bins of general applications including pharmaceutical. Installation for meat industry. Complete rooms for the production of extract of beef. Continuous cookers for corned beef. Static cookers for frozen. Receiving and transporting garners. Systems for the treatment of sugar syrup, manual or automatized including turnkey supply. Industrial assembling of pipelines and equipment inclusively using the process of orbital welding, fully automatic and with completely defined parameters. From the project to the installation and the beginning of the process, all projects are customized according to the specific needs of each and every client. Focused mainly on pharmaceutical, personal care, food and beverage industries. Kroma also works on the following sectors: cellulose and paper industry, chemical industry, fine chemical, processed meat and dairy products. Before you jump to the conclusion that Kroma is a simple factory, you should first know that there's nothing simple here. Kroma is a company specialized in the creation of individualized solutions for plants and industrial processes. A creation that starts to be developed from the intellectual work of a very select technical team. In the conception of its products, Kroma counts on highly specialized engineering of development and application. They are professionals of superior level and unquestionable know-how in the segment of processing equipment and assembly. All of them carefully following step-by-step the equipment production. From the first concepts, the equipment created by Kroma receive special attention. Each equipment is designed by highly qualified professionals following a rigorous briefing filled out by the client. The projects start to be materialized in drawings that, when finished, are sent for checking and final approval of the client. Only after being approved is that the projects come into the production line. In the production of the machines, Kroma applies the latest technology and individual labor provenly very qualified. Adding individual talents to technical management, differentiated technological solutions of high performance and guaranteed effectiveness optimization are presented. With the philosophy of permanent commitment, the welders and the coppersmiths are periodically trained and qualified in all the execution processes. One of the Kroma's most important missions is to support all its products in the most rigorous criteria of world production. Through a quality warrant system, Kroma bases all its process on the requirements of rules and international certification. Kroma yet counts on an on-surface roughness tester and a plant of deionized water to perform tests especially on the pharmaceutical equipments. In order to assure the validation with the control organs, Kroma's technical staff prepares and furnishes a complete data book of each equipment with all documentation required by the most rigid rules, awarding certificates of raw material origin, welders' qualification, as well as a complete traceability and control of each and every production step. During the production of the equipment, all the phases of the productive process are followed by a quality inspection plan. Before the beginning of the productive process, this plan is sent to the clients so they can identify the phases of the production of their equipment which they personally want to follow at Kroma's plant. Founded in 1998, Kroma has consolidated its power in the market with a light, agile and extremely competitive structure. Located in the city of Botucatu, just 258 kilometers from the capital of the state of São Paulo, the company has a privileged localization. Constructed beside the Marechal Rondon Road, one of the main accesses to the Castelo Branco Road, Kroma also aggregates the facility of being next to the airport of the city of Bauru. Having representatives in all Brazilian states and branches to serve throughout Latin America, the company attends clients in the national and multinational most diversified segments. Thanks to the excellence of its products, Kroma has already been recognized and awarded by FebraPharma, Brazilian Federation of the Pharmaceutical Industries, for the project in the production of a reactor with capacity of 2 tons and 3 independent agitation systems for the production of creams and ointments. The greatest differential which Kroma offers to the industrial market is its experienced and well-qualified technical team, a group of qualified and responsible professionals who follow from the test phase of the equipment to the installation of the projects inside the industrial units of the clients. This is Kroma, Equipamentos Especiais, the smart brand of engineering.